craft, it's the quest for perfection. It's the quest for that great beer, and all your time and attention goes in there.
The consumer only sees the sexy side of what we do. It's the bottle on the shelf. It's freaking hard work.
The main thing with craft beer is it's driven by passion. The people that own these businesses and brewers and people that run these businesses and involved in this industry are super, super passionate. They're not in it to make big bucks. They're not in it because they are forced to be there. They're in it because they enjoy it and they love
it. It's a philosophy. It's making different beers, making beers that are interesting, challenging, innovative, and constantly evolving your beer styles that you're bringing out. But it's that kind of pioneering spirit that I think the craft brewers really have, and that's for me what craft is all about.
Beer it's sort of an equalizer to a certain extent. It cuts across all boundaries, whether it's race, religion, sex, whatever. People just love beer, and when we're all having a couple of beers, it's just fantastic.